Hey everybody, how's it going? Uh, Cloudy day today. Rained pretty hard last night. Me and Garm stayed nice and dry. He slept like a baby. There he is right there. I got him tied up right now. The Rangers are out and about. So today I figured I'd do a video on my refrigerator setup. A lot of people have been interested in the fact that I have a refrigerator in my truck. And apart from today, because I pulled everything out to make this video, my refrigerator's been running 24/7 for 6 weeks. I'm just gonna show you guys how I got it done. I will post links to the items that I have purchased. I don't get paid by them at all. These are just the things that I got. A lot of people seem to be confused with how this works, so I'll try and explain it the best of my ability, which probably isn't going to be too good. So here I have the Rockwell 100 watt collapsible solar panel. It's got nice little feet on the back, so you can prop it up, point it at the sun. You can collapse those feet, lay it down flat, which is what I usually do when I lay it on top of my vehicle. Power cable comes out. It comes with an adapter where you can hook up more solar panels together, linear, and then whenever you're ready to plug it in, it has a multi-adapter, which is what I have plugged in here, and it has all these cords coming out of it for the different things that it is compatible with. All right. My power bank that I use is the Jackery Explorer 240. You'll see these if you start looking up power banks. You're going to run across a Jackery eventually. This one comes with, when I bought it, it came with an AC adapter as well as a DC adapter. And then I have the Astro AI. I think this is a 55 quart refrigerator. It also comes with a DC and AC adapter. All right, I took it out to clean it today because of the moisture condensation buildup. You can see it's pretty deep. All right, it's got a little refrigerator side here. Okay, and it does come with an actual basket that gets in there. This is way too big for me. This is all I like to carry around. You got to keep the vents clear whenever it's plugged in. And that's the equipment I have. All right, so now I'm going to plug and play for you. It's a very cloudy day today. And, I'm doing it on a cloudy day so you guys can see how much solar I'm going to pull in. I'm going to take the correct adapter from my solar panel, which is this one, and plug it into my Jackery. Yep. A little blue light came on, and the display screen turned on. You can see I'm pulling in 25 watts. Okay, on a sunny day, a clear sunny day, I have pulled in up to like 82, 83 watts, I think. But on a normal sunny day, it also depends on the position of the sun, but I usually pull in about 50, 60 watts per hour. Next, all right, like I said, I'm going to keep this real simple. You can see here I have the ability to plug in USB, my AC, and 12 volt. You can also see that there's no light here. If I push this, green light comes on. Sorry, it's bright. Once that happens, you start draining power out of the Jackery, whether you have it plugged in or not. So I'll push the AC button, and it's going to make me a liar today, but I have seen it drain the battery. There we go. See, and there's nothing plugged in. It is starting to drain the battery. So if you're not using them, make sure they are turned off. All right. You can also use the 12 volt adapter and plug it into your cigarette lighter on your vehicle. Okay. If your vehicle is running, this is not a problem. My alternator generates about 40 to 38 to 45 watt per hour. All right. But if you turn off your vehicle and you leave this thing plugged in, it's going to drain your car battery. All right. And every time you drain your battery, you're depleting the efficiency of your battery. Did have that happen on my truck. It was all due to negligence. I just forgot to unplug it a couple times, and then next thing you know, my truck's not wanting to start. I keep a battery jumper in my truck just for those situations, but I did have to end up buying a more expensive, high quality battery, which I'll go over probably in another video, to help mitigate my mistakes. All right, next up, the refrigerator. Boom, boom, boom. Same thing. DC adapter. You can run this off of your battery and your alternator, but you're going to run into the same problems that I explained with the Jackery. I personally like to use this the AC adapter with my fridge because I have a DC fan that I'll run with it every now and then. I am in Texas and it's already getting hot, so I'll come around, plug this in the back. Okay. Once again, doing this with my phone, so sorry for the poor quality. Now just plug it in right here. Now you can see nothing's happening, and that's because I have the AC output turned off. All right, once I turn it on, green light's on. It'll take a second. The refrigerator turned on. It is 71 degrees right now because I've had this thing wide open because I was cleaning it. This refrigerator will get down to -7. It's flashing in the video, but it is totally not doing that when I look at it. Here we go. Some people have asked if you can push and pull with this simultaneously, and here it is right here. I'm currently pulling in 22 watt hours, and the refrigerator right now is pulling 40. It'll go between 38 and 42. Once the refrigerator hits temp, once the refrigerator hits temperature, it'll shut off. So depending on how hot it is outside and how well insulated your refrigerator is going to determine how much or how often it pulls from your battery. Okay, this refrigerator that I have does not insulate too well. All right, and I am gonna make like a little Reflectix cover for it. I still have to make sure that the vents and everything are clear and that I can open the top. But I'm in Texas, and if I'm not running my truck, to keep it cool on the inside, it's gonna get really, really hot in there. And this refrigerator will just be running 24/7, and it's gonna drain my battery faster. That's pretty much the basics of this. I hope this video helps some people out. If you have any questions, hit me up. I'm not an expert on this at all. I do understand some things about the control panels and isolators and all that other stuff, but that's not what I have running right now. So that's it, guys. Like I said, it rained pretty hard last night. Me and Garm stayed nice and dry. If you're out here living this type of life, always have a tarp. Nothing's waterproof. Okay? And hell, you guys have a good one. Take care.